Our Teams app was created for Great Ormond Street Hospital by Felix Ingham, Jessica Hong, and myself, Tarek Jamal. The goal of our project was to create an application using R Shiny to teach clinicians and researchers at the hospital the R programming language. This was done under the assumption that the clients would have little to no programming experience prior. The way in which our app would achieve this is through a series of questions with examples along the way to aid the user in answering these questions. To begin designing our user interface, we were given a template by our clients to use as a basis. We also researched other quiz-like websites which had a similar purpose to our app, teaching programming through quizzes. We came across Project Euler as well as Rosalind, which aided our design and provided inspiration. Now here's a demonstration of the app running. Once the app is first opened, the user is shown an About page. It explains the purpose of the app, instructions on how to use it, as well as hyperlinks to further resources that the user may access. The About page was written using CSS elements to style the Markdown file. The app makes use of the Fluid UI Fluid page in R Shiny, and so it will work with different screen sizes and devices. The user may choose to access questions through the Linear Progression tab, or they may choose to select a specific question through the List of Questions tab. The List of Questions tab contains links to topics containing links to individual questions. This may help a somewhat experienced user to skip some of the more basic topics, or allow a user to resume their questions where they left off previously. With each question, there is an example toggle button, which provides an example to the user that may help with answering the question. There is also a next and back button, allowing the user to go between questions. The first type of question the user is introduced to is a text box-based question. The user is asked to write a piece of code themselves, which is then run in the R console to determine whether or not the user's code is valid. The next type is a multiple choice question. The user selects their answer and clicks Check Answer. Depending on the answer chosen, the app provides the user with feedback, informing them that their answer is correct if so, or providing them with an explanation for why their answer is incorrect otherwise. The other implemented type is a variation of the multiple choice question. The user selects all options that they believe are correct, and the application provides feedback on each of the selected options. We had plans to use one more style of question, a drag and drop based one. However, a bug arose and we were unable to find a workaround for it, and so we have included a demo in a separate tab as proof of concept. The app will be hosted on Iridia Analytics Agility. Our app will be one of the other mini apps on the platform. Here's an example of an R Shiny app running on the platform. Analytics Agility contains a script that allows the user to edit R files, allowing our client to edit our source code with ease. Thank you.